Technology has made learning a versatile activity. Learning is no longer limited to sitting in the classroom. Now, teachers can hold classes from anywhere in the world. So, if you're a qualified teacher looking for an online teaching job, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will be discussing the 7 best online teaching opportunities. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. The 7th platform on the list of the best online jobs is OKARI. OKARI makes it easier to find teaching jobs by connecting you with several opportunities across different sites. It eliminates the need to apply to independent organizations. Instead, you fill out one form, and the site does the job hunting for you. It places your request on some sites, including Landi, Huijang, PalFish, VIPKID, and SayABC. These teaching sites usually have positions for instructors willing to teach children between 4 to 15 years. Sometimes, there could be openings for positions for higher-aged students. The site recommends that you be a native English speaker from countries like the USA, UK, Australia, and New Zealand. This requirement is because you'll be required to teach the English language to your students. Aside from being a native English speaker, it would help if you also held a bachelor's degree. Some sites will also require an English proficiency certificate, either TOEFL, CELTA, or TESOL. Most positions pay an average of $15 to $32 per hour. The next place to find an online teaching job is QKids. Kids focuses on recruiting fun, creative teachers to groom and impact over 600,000 Chinese students. The sites make learning fun by creating a game-based class where tutors and tutees can interact freely. Their curriculum is dynamic and innovative, making it unique for teachers. Here, you don't need lesson plans as the app provides the lesson structure you'll be using. However, you must be willing to give 6 hours of your time weekly. Working as a QKids teacher requires you to teach with charming cartoon characters. You also get to use games and storytelling to pass your message across to the pupils. However, you must have a bachelor's degree, proof of being a native English, and a teaching license for this position. Once you qualify, you can earn as high as $20 every hour. The 5th on the list is Dada, a Shanghai-based company. Dada's mission is to ensure that every child has a happy learning environment. To achieve this, they employ the services of dedicated and experienced teachers. Being a Dada teacher comes with perks. First, you don't have to develop notes of lessons or plans, as the forum supplies you with innovative lesson plans for your students. Also, since the platform wants children to get the maximum attention, their classes are one-on-one sessions. This allows you to focus on one child at a time. And teachers can also select a schedule to work without disrupting other activities of their lives. You must have at least a bachelor's degree to apply for this position. Aside from that, you must have taught for at least a year, and must be an English native. Dada's teachers earn between $14 to $23 hourly. However, your earnings could be higher with the accumulation of site bonuses and referral rewards. Next on the list is GoGoKid. This company, based in Beijing, connects tutors to Chinese children seeking to learn English. It provides a virtual classroom where tutors have a one-on-one 25-minute class with their ward. To make things easier, the company provides all the teachers' needs for their lessons. As a result, their curriculum is quite extensive, but easy to work with as long as you're an experienced teacher. Aside from teaching English, GoGoKids aim to develop their students' thinking capability and creativity. Therefore, teachers must make learning fun, engaging students by using available teaching material. GoGoKids requires a bachelor's degree and a year's experience before considering applicants for the position. The platform pays $14 to $25 depending on a teacher's duty and performance. Lingoda is the 3rd platform on our list. Lingoda, unlike many teaching forums, has a flexible system. First, you don't have to be a native English speaker to enroll as a teacher. Lingoda provides opportunities as a language instructor to lecture students in Spanish, French, German, or English. It's also a platform for adult students, so you can set your teaching hours. Qualifications include 2 years of teaching experience, an ESL certificate, and proof that you're a native of the language you're teaching. The job also requires teachers to be legal freelancers, enabling them to coach students from any part of the globe. Payment depends on your job specification, the language you teach, and your qualifications. Next is Prepley. Prepley, based in Brooklyn, USA, is an online global teaching place. Students have access to lectures via their online classroom. The company aims to make learning fun, therefore, it recruits only the best teachers. You must be versatile, creative, fun, and attentive before considering a position as a Prepley teacher. Prepley also supports other languages. Though you must have good knowledge of the English language, you don't have to be a native to apply. The site allows you to select your schedule. It also gives you room to charge as much as you want for your services. Finally, there's the ITUDOR Group. The ITUDOR Group is another Shanghai-based online site that offers customized lessons to students. Their services range from teaching teenagers to lecturing business professionals in several areas. The group also offers teachers several opportunities to build their tutoring skills. You also get free Chinese tutoring if you show interest in the language. To apply, you must be a bachelor's degree holder, a native English speaker, and a teacher with at least a year's experience. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.